Hi there, friends and neighbors. We're here at P Carriages, Seneca's largest trailer dealer. We have today a 16-foot Trac, 14,000 pound Pro Series drop deck trailer. Comes standard with the adjustable coupler in the front. You could go with either penalty or 2 5/16 ball. 12K heavy duty 2-speed jack. Toolbox in the front with all your hydraulics and mechanicals in one side and storage on the other. You do have a 12-volt light inside, so if you're working in the dark. It's got no 12-volt charger, so you keep your battery charged up when you're not using it. You also have a heavy-duty bulkhead with tie-downs on the corner of the bulkhead, plus the heavy-duty stake pockets, 4-inch wide, so you can fit the big straps in. Spare tire carrier is standard on every Trac trailer. The trailer has a steel plate, non-skid surface on the floor, 4 D-rings in the bed. The bed is 79.5 inches wide by 16 foot long with the beaver tail in the rear. 16-inch black steel rims with 16-inch tires on it. All sealed wiring in the trailer. LED tail lights and marker lights. The nicest thing about this trailer, push a button. No ramps to contend with, and there's not a piece of equipment you can't get on this trailer, even your low man lifts and whatnot. This has the hydraulic torsion axles, so you don't have to worry about fenders or whatnot when you're going in. This trailer is in stock, plus many other Trac trailers and many other different trailers. Just come on down, check us out, see what we've got. Tell them Kenny Post sent you.